Welcome to another one of my challenges living with kids at home. So somebody left a pen inside of one of the pockets, and it was fine when it washed. It seems like the washer doesn't have anything, but this one, you can tell that the dryer has all these marks. You can tell. So I tried to clean it with a magic eraser and alcohol, and it improved it a little bit better, but it's nowhere should be. I mean, I have a method that I'll show you that it will literally leave it perfectly, and I did 1/3 already. This third at the top, let's turn it. So I did this third of the tumbler, and you can tell it has nothing. So it's the method doesn't use alcohol, but still uses the magic eraser, but I used 100% acetone. Let me show you which one. There it is. This is the one that we use here in this example, 100% acetone from Walmart. I think it was like less than $2. This is more than enough. So, and here I try to use this one, but it's harder. The actual magic eraser is much better when you can tell this is where I used it. Much easier to use, and you have to scrub less, and it comes out really easily. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna use this side and soak it in 100% acetone. Now, the vapors of this are super bad. Minimize the exposure and don't breathe into those vapors, and ventilate the area if you can. And if you want, you can divide the work, like do a little bit in the morning, in the afternoon, and so on and so on. You don't have to do it all together. Okay, so we're gonna try now. Okay, I set up the lighting so you can see easily. This is the part that I soaked on acetone. I'm gonna start here. Oops. Oh, the lighting is not proof, shake and proof. I try not to shake it too much so I can videotape easier. Let's zoom in there. Let's try that one. There we have another one. But you can get the sense of how hard it could be. And let's try that one. The magic eraser makes it a lot easier. And these are not true magic erasers. This was a knockoff brand. So now that tells you how easy it could be using this method. You can keep going. I'll show you how I end up. It's gonna be completely white. I expect that. The door also has some marks that you can easily clean. Let's see here. I already did this part. There you have some. Look, super easy. It seems like this plastic is a lot easier to clean than the inside. Yeah, all clean in here. So when you're done like this, I strongly recommend to use, like I'm using a paper towel with water and soap, dish soap, a little bit to just clean all the surfaces, because since this is so, the vapors are so bad and it's also flammable, I prefer to clean the whole thing to make sure that when the heat is on, it doesn't, of course, burst into flames. or anything like that. So I prefer to prevent rather than regret later on, right? So clean it, all the surface, and you're ready to go. I hope this helped you, and I really hope I don't have any, again, another one of my kids leaving a pen in one of the pockets and getting another one of these messes. So let me know if you have any other questions, or subscribe, please, and this is going to help me a lot. Thank you.